Hello there, amazing English learners. Welcome back to English Mastery Podcast for day 4 of our incredible shadowing challenge. I'm Vey, and I'm absolutely bursting with excitement to have James here with me today. James, can you believe we're already at day 4? How are you feeling about everyone's journey so far?
Oh, Vey, I'm honestly getting goosebumps just thinking about it. Day 4 is such a special milestone because this is where we really start seeing the magic happen. You know what's incredible? Everyone who's here today has already proven something powerful about themselves. They have the persistence to see things through. They're not just casual learners anymore. They're committed English speakers in the making. Ha ha! I always tell people that day 4 is when you stop being someone who tries to learn English and start becoming someone who is learning English. There's a huge difference in that mindset shift, and I can feel it happening for everyone listening right now.
That's such a beautiful distinction, James. And you know what I absolutely love about day 4? This is typically when people start feeling that quiet confidence building inside them. Maybe they don't even realize it yet, but their pronunciation is clearer, their rhythm is more natural, their fear is slowly melting away. It's like watching a flower bloom. The transformation is happening even when you can't see all the changes yet. Lovely listeners, how has this journey been for you so far? Are you noticing small improvements? Are you feeling a bit braver when you speak? I hope so, because even if progress feels slow sometimes, you're growing quietly, deeply, and steadily with every single session.
Exactly, Vey. And here's something I want everyone to really understand. If you've had moments where this felt difficult, if there were days when you almost didn't show up, if you felt frustrated or uncertain, that's completely normal. Those challenging moments aren't signs that you're failing. They're signs that you're pushing your comfort zone and growing. Oh, and speaking of growth, we're so close to completing this 5-day challenge now. Can you believe it? Just one more day after today. The feeling of accomplishment when you finish day 5 is going to be absolutely incredible.
James, I'm getting emotional just thinking about everyone crossing that finish line. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let me make a promise to our beautiful listeners. Promise me you won't give up now. You've come so incredibly far already. Your brain has been working overtime, creating new neural pathways, building muscle memory, developing confidence. All of that work would be wasted if you stop now, right at the moment when everything is about to click into place. Can you promise me you'll stick with us? I know you can, and I believe in you completely.
That's such an important commitment, Vey. And you know what I love about today's session? We're going to practice 10 incredibly empowering sentences that will literally rewire your brain for confidence and success. These aren't just pronunciation exercises. They're affirmations that will change how you think about yourself as an English speaker. We'll practice each sentence 3 times, nice and slowly, with crystal clear articulation. And remember, if you need extra time, pause and practice on your own. This is your personal speaking laboratory.
I love that phrase. James, your personal speaking laboratory. That's exactly what this is. And lovely learners, I want you to get really comfortable for this session. Maybe grab your favorite beverage, find that cozy spot where you feel most relaxed. This is your special time, your investment in your future self. Also, if you haven't completed days 1, 2, and 3 yet, please don't skip ahead. Each day builds on the previous one, creating a strong foundation for your speaking confidence. The links are in our description to make it super easy for you.
Perfect setup, Vey. Now, before we dive in, I want everyone to remember something crucial. There's absolutely no pressure here. This isn't a test. It's not a competition. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying your best, and enjoying the beautiful process of becoming a confident English speaker. Every word you speak out loud is an act of courage. Every repetition is building strength. Every mistake is proof that you're pushing yourself to grow. Ready to transform some fear into confidence today?
Oh, I am so ready, James. Let's start with some deeply transformational affirmations. Here's our first powerful sentence. I'm not simply studying English, I'm actively creating my incredible future. Notice how my voice carries determination and vision. Now repeat with that same powerful energy. I'm not simply studying English, I'm actively creating my incredible future. Excellent! Each time I speak out loud, I'm dissolving another layer of fear and doubt. Feel that sense of breakthrough in my tone. Your turn to shadow. Excellent! Each time I speak out loud, I'm dissolving another layer of fear and doubt. Beautiful work.
Wonderful energy, everyone. Now let's try something that reframes the entire learning journey. Fluency isn't some distant destination. It's a daily choice I make with every practice session. Hear that sense of empowerment and ownership? Repeat with confidence. Fluency isn't some distant destination. It's a daily choice I make with every practice session. Fantastic! I feel genuinely proud of my dedication even when others can't see my progress yet. Notice that quiet strength and self-validation. Shadow this one. Fantastic! I feel genuinely proud of my dedication even when others can't see my progress yet. Amazing! You're already sounding more assured and natural.
James, I can feel everyone's confidence radiating through the screen. Let's practice some sentences about courage and self-worth. My voice has value and importance even when it trembles with nervousness. Feel that combination of vulnerability and strength. Your turn to practice. My voice has value and importance even when it trembles with nervousness. Perfect. Making mistakes means I'm courageously pushing beyond my comfort zone and expanding. Notice that reframe from shame to pride. Go ahead, repeat. Making mistakes means I'm courageously pushing beyond my comfort zone and expanding. Outstanding. The shift in energy is absolutely palpable.
This is absolutely magical, Vey. Let's try some sentences about identity and transformation. I'm becoming the kind of person who speaks English with genuine confidence and joy. Hear that sense of evolution and possibility? Shadow with that same vision. I'm becoming the kind of person who speaks English with genuine confidence and joy. Brilliant. This small daily effort is building the foundation for my biggest dreams and aspirations. Feel that connection between present action and future success. Your turn. This small daily effort is building the foundation for my biggest dreams and aspirations. Exceptional work. You're not just practicing English, you're practicing being confident.
James, this transformation is so beautiful to witness. Let's finish with some powerful statements about persistence and victory. I keep showing up consistently, and that commitment alone is my greatest achievement. Notice that celebration of persistence over perfection. Repeat with pride. I keep showing up consistently, and that commitment alone is my greatest achievement. Amazing. Speaking English is becoming more natural and effortless with each passing day. Feel that sense of inevitable progress. Your turn to own this truth. Speaking English is becoming more natural and effortless with each passing day. Absolutely brilliant work, everyone!
Wow, Vey, I am so incredibly moved by what just happened here. Everyone who practiced those 10 sentences with us didn't just improve their pronunciation, they literally reprogrammed their relationship with English speaking. You practiced courage, you embodied confidence, you chose growth over fear. This is day 4, and you're already transforming into the English speaker you've always dreamed of becoming.
James, I'm practically glowing with pride right now. Beautiful learners, you've just completed day 4 of this life-changing challenge. Take a moment to really feel that accomplishment. You're 80% of the way through something incredible. Remember, if you ever feel stuck or uncertain, this session is here waiting for you. Come back anytime you need that confidence boost. Tomorrow is day 5, our grand finale, and it's going to be absolutely spectacular. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and never forget, you absolutely can do this. We're so proud of you, and we'll see you tomorrow for the most amazing conclusion to your transformation journey.